everybody, I'm back for another little adventure here. This morning I woke up and started watching the World Series and watched that game. And I thought I'd go out and take a new adventure to a place I haven't been before. It's about a 20-minute drive outside from my house through a bunch of coconut palm fields, sugarcane fields, pineapple fields. Really beautiful country up in the hills. I'm up to Cranberry Reservoir and Cranberry Dam. It's a huge, beautiful reservoir. Part of the water system. Here to the right is the dam. You can't see it, it's where this road goes. But one of my main reasons for coming out here is when I was back in the US, I bought a drone for our travels. I wanted to get some drone footage of when we moved to Thailand and other adventures coming up. In about 5 months, we're heading to Italy for 3 weeks. And I want to get some really good drone footage. So I wanted to kind of walk you through a little bit of what I had to do here in Thailand to be able to fly drones. There's a lot of rules and regulations. I had to get 3 different documentations, which I will show you soon, of what you need to do here. But I came out here so I could have an open space for my drone. In my home area, there's a lot of homes and places you just can't get to. From the map page on Google Maps, it looked like there was a lot of open space here, but there's open space, but it's still, if my drone goes down, I'm not going to be able to get to it most of the time. But it's a good place to practice. Got to try it sometimes. So let's break it out, and haven't flown it in about 4 months. Let's see how it goes. Just a quick little drone test of mine. I had to get it out and try flying it. It's been a while. It was short. Hope you got some information from it. I'm not the expert, just did a little research and got it done. I wanted to be all legal and everything here in case I get in trouble with the drone. I have all my paperwork. But thanks for watching. I will have a lot more drone footage coming up in future videos of different areas around here in Thailand and other places. Thanks for watching. Please hit that little button here with our picture. Subscribe, please like and share. Thank you for watching.